everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do a triple paint pour. Woo! We are going to dip, we are going to dip back into our Arteza pouring acrylic colors box. And this is a 10 by 20 canvas. So if you use Mixed Media Girls calculations for paint, 10 by 20 is 200 divided by 16 gives you approximately 12.5 ounces. So that means we need basically a hair more than 4 ounces in each of these 3 cups. These are 10-ounce cups, so I will fill them approximately halfway and we should be good to go. So here's what I'm doing for my three cups. Over here we're going with neon purple, gold metallic, titanium white, cerise pink, and rose pink. That's one bowl. In the middle, we're going with a titanium white, medium yellow, neon orange, vermilion red, and bronze. And here on the left, we are going with ultramarine blue, phthalo green, silver metallic, Mars black, and sea green. So this should be interesting. So let's layer our bowl and then I'll explain, well, I'll just show you what's going to happen next. Because this isn't everything. There's one more component. So let's just go ahead. I will fast forward. No particular order. Okay, we will put our bowls aside and I will show you the missing component. That's not it. This is it. Oops, I'm losing paint. There we go. And here we go. All right, let's give that a minute to finish dripping off. This was from Walmart. This was not from Dollar Tree. You might be surprised to know. All right, I have to figure out where to put this. Put it over here. Get our paint bowls out of the way. Whoops. There we go. And now we tilt. And now we do that tilting thing. In there. Oh, I am loving that. Look at that. That is so pretty. Even the orangey side, which I'm not particularly fond of, you'll notice I made the blues a little bigger. And I love the middle part too. Okay, let me clean up my hands. We'll go in for our close-up. Okay, let's start with our 3 skulls in a picket fence. So there's the orange one, there's the pretty purples one, there's the glorious blues one. Oh, I love it. All right, now for the painting. Here's the lower right corner, across the bottom. Look at those lines. I do love this paint. I really do. I wish it were quite so pricey. Watch for sales, folks. They do have good sales, and we're coming up on Christmas. End of year sales are always pretty good with Arteza. At least that's been my experience so far. Oh my God, I love the patterns there. Look at that blues with the black. Oh, it's gorgeous. That is lower left. Here we go up the left side. This entire blue area is just in green. Just gorgeous. Oh, wow. Upper left, across the top. The lines are beautiful. And of course the orange section has a metallic sheen from the gold metallic paint. There was silver in the middle section, I think. I forget where the silver was. Upper right, I managed to keep some of the drips, some of the rosettes, and some of the patterns from the drips. So I think all in all, this worked out really well. And back to the lower right. Here we are in the middle, and there's the entire painting. What do you think, folks? I think this is pretty darn cool. I love it. We have reached more than 200 subscribers. I am so thrilled. I'm so grateful. I think this is wonderful. Let's keep going. And I will keep pouring and resining and arting and... Alrighty, folks. Everything's dried, so I thought we'd come out here on the deck where there's not very much sunshine today and take a look. This is the dried painting. It does not have the gloss finish of the Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint, or the Deco Art, which is I would say a little less glossy than Artist Loft, but still glossier than this. This is Arteza. It's a beautiful finish, but you can see, yeah, I guess there's a bit of a sheen or a bit of a gloss, but it's not the same. Anyway, it would be protected with either resin, which would be beautiful, or a couple coats of spray varnish would be lovely. I just absolutely love how this turned out. Very happy with this pour. And now, because I know you're wondering, let's see how our skulls look. This is where I should be playing spooky music in the background. Oh yeah. Definitely scary. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.